In this video, I'm going to add a file from internet to Mendeley. So for instance, I'm looking for urban air mobility safety, and I can see this file is cited 30 times, which is good. If I choose the next one, this document is cited by 120 people or times. So it's an impact factor journal. Maybe I click this file. If I add to Mendeley or I'm using Chrome extension, it's actually have problems sometimes, so I prefer to use the DOI linked. So I click again, but usually it's going to work. Then click add to Mendeley. Maybe I don't really want to put it inside a folder, so you can select any folder you like. Because I separate my files into different folders, however, I just in my library and then add. So if you see, it's adding here, and then both PDF and references. And I can actually adding the other documents that actually related, but this time I don't really want to do that. So if I go to the Mendeley desktop and then go to recently added, and then I can see this is recent. I usually add the name, so the first name of the person, to the citation key, as well as the year, and then journal. So it saves automatically and sync. And then if I want to organize it to put in a collections, because I have different folders for different files, so I just click that and add. I can add it as a favorite, so it changes color there. So if I go to the UAM folder, it's actually moved. If I want to start doing like some reading, usually I will do like highlight. I will highlight the abstracts, for instance. So if I highlight it, and then I can just leave a note, for instance. So this is my small notes. Later on, I can actually use these notes as my note. And I also have these little notes of whatever I want to take. So from here, later on, I will transfer it to a latex or off a leaf. So that's the way I actually save file or journal from the internet to Mendeley, and then to create a little bit of notes.